How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be replacing the rear diff oil on this 2016 Subaru Impreza. This is, again, everything you need to do this job will be right here. All you need is the oil, the bar and a little pump, which I will get. It's actually quite simple. You definitely can do it yourself, so let's get to it. Okay guys, as I said, the rear diff on these Subarus is actually quite simple. Everything I need is right here. I've just got an oil drain can, got my oil, a little pump, and all you need is a 1/2 inch bar to fit in. So as I said, it's quite simple. I've got the car jacked up evenly. Okay, so this is our fill plug, this is our drain plug on the rear diff. Now, as with anything, you make sure you always crack the fill plug before the drain plug, because if you drain your oil and for some reason you can't get the fill plug off, you're in a lot of trouble. So they can be quite tight, as you can see. Now those fittings, they're just 1/2 inch fittings. So if you got a 1/2 inch bar or whatever, they will fit right in. So there we go, it's loosening up. So there's our fill plug off. Time for our drain plug. Okay, this drain plug was actually so tight, I need to get the longer bar. So just prepare yourself for that. Just leave that draining till all the oil comes out. So I've got my oil and my pump ready to go. So what I like to do, as it's draining, I just like to pump a little bit of new oil in there just to flush it a little bit. And now while we're waiting for that to drain, I'm just cleaning our 2 plugs here. Just so you know, the one with the magnet on it here, that is always the bottom one, the drain plug. So the magnet attracts any bit of metal so it doesn't go in the diff. So I just clean them up. And then you don't need to do this, but it's just a habit of mine. Because there's no washer on these thread plugs, I just wrap them in a bit of thread tape, which again I'll put a link to just in case you want to use some as well. So here you have our fill plug and our drain plug, cleaned, taped, ready to go. So as you can see, it's just come to a drip, so all the oil is out. So I'm putting our drain plug in, again the one with the magnet. You don't have to go crazy with these, just hand tight is fine till you can stop spinning like that. And then all you do to fill it is you keep pumping in the oil until it comes out consistently out the top. You can see consistently coming out now, so they roughly take about 1 litre. So I'll just, while it's coming out, if it's overfilled a little bit, it actually doesn't matter. I'll just put the plug back in. Now again, doesn't have to be super tight, just hand tight, like that. I'll clean it up with some cleaner. Give it a wipe, and we're all done. There you go, guys. Thank you. If this has helped you out, please help me out by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.